In this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can Rickroll someone on Discord. So if you don't know what Rickrolling someone on Discord means, it basically means you're going to send them a link, and when they click on it, they're going to be taken to the Rickroll video on YouTube or wherever else it's been hosted. So you can say something like, check out this cool new app, and then send them to the Rickroll message. It's just like a funny meme that everyone is doing. So if you want to go ahead and do that, all you would need to do is select the person that you want to Rickroll. So I'll just put in this random person. So what I need to do now is I need to go ahead and find the Rickroll video. So all I would need to do is go onto the YouTube app. So on the YouTube app, I went ahead and searched for the Never Give You Up song. And then all I would need to do is tap on the 3 vertical dots next to the title of the video. Then I tap on the share button, and from here you just want to copy the link. So the link has now been copied, so now I'm good to go. I can go back onto Discord. So now comes the most important part about the Rickroll. So if you go ahead and type out your message and then put the link, what's going to happen is Discord is going to show a preview of the video. So what you need to do to prevent that is to go ahead and put in these 2 arrow type things. I'll put them in the chat so you can see it's these 2 things. So what you need to do is you need to put that left pointing arrow. I don't know the name of those, so I apologize. So you just put that left facing arrow thing there, and then you paste in the link, and then you want to put in the right facing arrow. And then if you go ahead and send that, that won't show the preview of the YouTube video. So you can say, hey, check out this cool app, check out what I found, and then you can put those arrows in there with the link in the middle, and then Discord won't go ahead and show a preview of the video, so they won't know what they're clicking on, which is pretty cool. So then all you would need to do is go ahead and send that, and then you have officially Rickrolled your friend on Discord. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.